Claude Code hides a lot of complexity, which is great until you don't know what's missing. If you want to build real apps that aren't vibe-coded garbage, you need to understand these 7 layers, even without knowing how to code. Here they are in 60 seconds. Layer 1 is the front end. This is everything your user sees: pages, buttons, forms. Claude might generate this with something like Next or React and style it with Tailwind. But you still need to know what the user is supposed to do here. 2 is the backend, the application logic. Claude Code can write the logic for you, but it's usually running in API routes, server functions, or edge functions, and somebody still has to decide the rules. 3 is data, where the information lives, how it's structured, and how it changes over time. Most apps use Postgres through something like Supabase or another managed database, and this is where things could quietly break if you don't plan ahead. 4 is authentication, who the user is, what they're allowed to see or do. Tools like Supabase Auth or OAuth make this easier, but you're still going to need to understand permissions, especially once you have multiple users. Number 5 is payments. Anytime money's involved, expectations change. Stripe could handle the mechanics. 6 is security. This runs through everything: where your API keys live, what data is exposed, and whether other users can see each other's data. Claude will handle some security, but you still need to tell it how you want it handled. And number 7 is infrastructure, where the app lives and how it's shipped. Most people rely on GitHub and Vercel for this, but even then, you need to understand deployments, environment variables, and what happens when something breaks. You don't need to master all 7 layers, you just need to understand that they exist. Comment AI agent below if you want to learn how to develop real apps with Claude Code.